Hello, good evening, Chuckadelphia. This is Chuck coming to you live from the command center, and tonight I have a mini lesson for you about numbers. Okay, we're going to be focusing on our cardinal numbers. So sit back, take a load off of your mind, enjoy a little bit of tool here, and let's get into the lesson. Okay, buckle up and come along with me for the ride. Here we go. All right, so as I said, we are going to be focusing on cardinal numbers tonight. And basically, the cardinal numbers are the natural way we would say normal numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, I'm an English instructor. I'm language, not math, right? Okay, no, but I can count to 10. Other than that, it's a little difficult. All right, so we have cardinal numbers, and then we have odd numbers and even numbers. Now, odd numbers are numbers that are not divisible by the number 2. So we say 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 21, etc. Right? Even numbers are numbers that are divisible by the number 2. So we say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, etc. All right? So these are some common ways that we would hear or use cardinal numbers. All right, now let's talk about numbers when we get to the larger numbers, okay? So right here, I say 100, right? And 120. Okay, so you could say 120, or it's possible to say 120. Okay, same thing here. 124 or 124. Okay, 174 or 174, etc. And it goes like that all throughout whenever you use numbers. Okay, here you say 250 or 250, 323, 480, 859, right? 1,000. Okay, notice we use the comma here in the United States. I believe in other parts of the English-speaking world they may use the apostrophe, but here in the good old U.S. we use the comma. 1,723, 3,208, 4,892. And then we go over one more point. We say 11,382, 18,832, 38,403, 89,008. All right. Now we go 108,382, 382,211, 448,022. Okay. So that's important. As you read these numbers, you got to respect the numbers starting all the way from the left and going to the right. All right. So now let's make it a little trickier. All right. Let's go with million. Okay. So with million, you got 6. Okay. You got 6 spots, and then the comma, and then the million spot right here. Okay. And you can say 1 million or a million. Right. And then let's, again, as I said, start all the way to the left and read to the right. So here we would say 1,385,999, right? Here we would say 8,392,008, 48,839,903, 80,490, 108,388,399, right? 499,490,008. It'd be nice to have a bank account that read that, right? You take care of a lot of issues. I'll tell you that, right? So what comes after a million? 100 million? No. 100 millions? No. We would say billion. Billion comes next. Now we're in Bill Gates territory, Alibaba territory, Amazon territory, right? So again, see that? You have 10 spots, right? And you can say 1 billion or a billion. And then, again, we would say you start all the way to the left and read to the right. So we would say 1,839,998,099. This isn't billion, right? This is million. So we'd say 3,849,929. So I did that to trick you. All right. But here, 15,483,2,000 221,900. 78,993,493,283. 184,889,382,121. 999,999,839,345. See that? Not too bad. So what comes after a billion, huh? You know? What comes after this? Trillion, right? You're going to hear about the stimulus package that the United States is getting ready to pass to help Americans out. And it's a lot of money, okay? $1 trillion. Okay, look at all these zeros. Whew. Right? And that's where we start. And again, you can say 1 trillion or a trillion. All right? And again, you want to start all the way to the left and read towards the right. Now that doesn't look like a trillion, right? That's 1,738,884,999. That doesn't look right, okay? But here, does that look like a trillion? No. 48,883,883,338, right? And the same thing here. This is 188,880,883,883. Okay? See, the thing is, if you don't want to read the whole number for large numbers in the millions, billions, or trillions, it's probably better for you to just say 1.73 trillion, 6.8 billion, 3.4 million, etc. We wouldn't say that with hundreds of thousands, right? We wouldn't say 100,000. No, don't do that. But you can do that with millions, billions, and trillions. Okay? Now, let's talk about some key notes, some key specifics with numbers, okay? When you're not specific and you have a noun afterwards, you can write or say it like this: hundreds of people, thousands of homes, millions of kids, billions of stars, trillions of Chuckadelphia fans all throughout the universe, right? I'm not talking about here because we don't have a trillion people here, right? So you notice we would say hundreds of, and then the noun. And most likely you're going to use plural nouns, right? When you have countable nouns here, right? So when you are specific, with specific numbers, you do not use the S, okay? In other words, you would say 383,000 people, 1,389,000 homes, 7.8 million miles, etc. Okay? You understand? Do not fall into the trap of saying 1,389,000 homes. Don't do that. Just say 1,389,000 homes, 7.8 million miles, not 7.8 millions miles. Don't do that. Not with the S, right? You're better than that. And I know it. I believe in you. Okay? For dollars, say the dollar amount and then cents if necessary. Okay? In other words, we would say $48.32. And down here, we would say $3,880,000. And then down below, $3.8 million. That's how we would say it. All right? Now, some final notes. For decimal points, you say point and then each number individually, right? So this would be 883.832. 0.832. Okay? And the same with percentages. 78.3%, 34%. You got it? It's not too hard, okay? Now, there are some other number rules you should know, but that will be in my next video, I promise, okay? So as always, with all the trouble that's going on in the world, I really thank you for coming and spending your time with me, and thank you for hanging out in Chuckadelphia. And always keep in mind that you don't need a classroom in order to learn. The world is your classroom. And while you're home, if you want to take a break from everything that's troubling you and you don't want to worry about things, come along to Chuckadelphia and Infinite English Academy and check out these mini lessons. We appreciate it. We appreciate your time, and I truly wish everything is going well for you and your family. Hope everybody's healthy, and I hope that you're enjoying your time with each other. Okay. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment box. If you want to give me some examples, please let me know. Okay. Have a great day. Thank you for coming along. As always, Carpe diem and ciao, ciao.